Portuguese explorers introduced chili peppers to Indian cuisine, adding a fiery kick to many dishes. The Portuguese also brought potatoes to India, leading to the creation of popular dishes like aloo masala. One of their most significant contributions was the introduction of the technique of marinating meat in vinegar. This introduced the concept of vindaloo, a spicy curry dish popular in Goa and other parts of India. Portuguese traders brought cashew nuts to India, which are now used in various Indian sweets and dishes. They also introduced the technique of baking and the use of yeast, leading to the creation of Indian breads like pav. The Portuguese brought the concept of using egg yolks to make desserts, resulting in delicious Portuguese-inspired sweets. They left a lasting impact on Indian cuisine, influencing the use of spices, flavors, and cooking techniques. The Portuguese influence can be seen in dishes like Goan fish curry, which uses a unique blend of spices. They also introduced Goan sausage and feijoada, a stew made with pork and beans. Overall, Portuguese contributions to Indian cuisine have added depth and richness to the country's culinary heritage.